Greetings to all. I am pleased and honored to accept the Best Forensic Investigator Award of 2021 by Legal Desire India. A very special thanks to the Legal Desire Award Selection Committee for selecting me for this award. And I congratulate to all this year's nominees who have made incredible contributions for forensic science and legal service to our country. And of course, a big salute to my dad, who was my inspiration to choose forensic science profession. He was a medical officer in Indian Navy. Honorable President of India honored him with Shaurya Chakra Award for his bravery in Indo-Pak War 1971. I passed MSc Forensic Science with DNA specialization from Madras University in 1994. In 1995, I moved to Bahrain and joined with Bahrain Police Department. I started my career as a forensic science technician from Bahrain Police Forensic Science Lab. During my 17 years service at the Bahrain Police Department, I had the opportunity to serve in the crime scene investigation, biology, and DNA departments. In 2012, I joined with Abu Dhabi Police Forensic Lab as a forensic DNA expert. During my 23 years of forensic science career with the best police forensic science department in the Middle East, I was very fortunate to get various local and international trainings, and those trainings and real case experience together enabled me to investigate and analyze all the types of criminal cases, including disaster victim identification, post-blast investigation, and that all in accordance with ISO 17025 and 1720 quality management systems. In 2018, I served Ministry of Justice as a forensic science consultant for establishing a DNA lab there. I extend my sincere gratitude and loyalty to the directors, managers, and colleagues of both Abu Dhabi and Bahrain Police Department for nurturing me as a professional forensic scientist. In 2019, I joined Amity University, Dubai, the only one university in the Middle East offering forensic science bachelor's, master's, and PhD program. Currently, I'm enjoying teaching forensic science and pursuing my PhD too. I extend my sincere regards to the management, academic leaders, and colleagues of Amity University, Dubai for their constant encouragement and support in education. Thank you once again for selecting me for this award. Let Legal Desire continue to work together to enhance the quality of forensic education and forensic service for rapid and fair justice to our community. Thank you.
Hi there, my name's Detective Zagan. I work with the Roswell Police Department in Georgia. I'm a certified latent fingerprint examiner, certified crime scene technician, and a polygraph examiner. Prior to doing this, I worked in major crimes as a major crimes detective, where I worked everything from homicides, rapes, kidnappings, things like that. I had a great partner who was on the crime scene team and always came out and worked my cases. And I was always interested in asking him, what are you doing this for? What are you doing that for? And before you knew it, there was an opening, and I was able to become a crime scene investigator. Many, many years later, here I am. I can't believe I got an opportunity to do this for a living and actually get paid for this. I mean, I get to study, do crime scenes, latent fingerprints. I even get to help teach at the National Forensic Academy in Tennessee. There were some great people there. I highly recommend attending if you can. And it's been an amazing ride, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. First, I'd like to thank Legal Desire for putting this together. It's amazing how they can grab people from all over the world and put them into these events. And let us come together and share our knowledge and our experience. It's truly amazing, and I love that the work that they're doing by pushing the forensics in this field out into the ether so everyone can get a piece of it and get a taste of it and understand what's going on. It's really nice. I'd also like to say that it is truly a humbling experience to be associated and be a part of this award with some of the names and the people that I've seen on this. Just to be lumped into the same category or even close to the same category is a humbling experience, and I truly thank you. I look forward to working with Legal Desire in the future. They're doing some really great things, and if anybody ever needs anything, just reach out to me and I'll be more than happy.
Carlos Diriberne. I have a master's degree in criminalistics and I am forensic consultant in many areas. As co-founder and partner of ADN Criminalística, a forensic service company located in Buenos Aires, Argentina, I am very proud to have efficiently adapted our activities to the pandemic situation, which was what we considered the main problem in the 2020. Complying with the forensic training program and providing products and services to the requesting institutions in Latin America.
Hi there, this is Diego Álvarez. I'm Master in Criminalistics and Forensic Expert in the Courts of Justice in Buenos Aires City, partner and co-founder of ADN Criminalística 2. I would like to thank to the organizing committee for giving us this award, considering our achievements in the last year. Some of them were the development, production and marketing of a new products for forensic, for latent fingerprint development in complex surfaces. Another one was the expansion of our forensic library. Now we can bring to Latin America the most important forensic publishers. Additionally, we supported non-profit projects and activities during the last year, such as the Scoping Journal and the Reforestar project. And last but not least, we developed an updated ATN's app, one of the most downloaded forensic apps in Google Play Store. That's why we really appreciate Legal Desire for giving us the award Forensic Startup of the Year. Thank you very much.
As the Forensic Diving Academy, we are proud and honored to receive this award. We have done already very much, but still there's much more to do. We will show you what can be done.
What a beautiful, silent and peaceful place, this lake. But is it true? Is it what it seems to be? Or is something wrong? It may be a crime scene. Look at this person. Why is it here? Is it a drowning victim? Or is it suicide? Or worse, is it a murder of an innocent victim? And this baby, still sitting tied up in his maxi-cosi, on purpose left behind or by accident?
Watch this dog, cruelly abused and left dying alone. This killer must be found. A gun, disposed forever? No way. Full of traces of evidence, and we will find the perpetrator. Even a mobile cell phone. It tells its own story after weeks being placed in the water. This photo camera, full of traces, fingerprints, DNA, tissue, blood. We can help on the laboratorium to find a victim perpetrator.
I thank Legal Desire Media and Insights for giving me this award to me. As an organization, you have been giving voice and recognition to the forensic and legal professionals across the globe, and it is an honor for me that my work has been recognized. I have been making sustained efforts in research and development during the last decade, as I am convinced that forensic professionals have to take up research to meet the emerging challenges in the field. It's a double honor that I have been considered for Academic Leadership Award, despite of the fact that I am heading a forensic laboratory. During the last couple of years, I forged collaboration with some reputed institutes and professionals, and I want to thank all my colleagues at RFSL Mandi, my collaborators, and the student interns with whom I was able to develop some new insights to the research problems in forensic science. Thank you all.
Jai Hind, this is Dr. Shweta Sharma from Rashtriya Raksha University, School of Forensic Sciences and Risk Management. I would like to showcase my immense gratitude towards Legal Desire for conferring me with the Award of Academic Excellence. I remember when I started my journey as an academician, which was a subset of the PhD course that I took up, I used to enjoy and feel overwhelmed talking about the subject I was so passionate about. Inspiring and encouraging student has always been a motivational force for me to take up the area that I am researching upon. I cannot escape thanking my mentors. I would like to thank Dr. Gyanendra Singh, my PhD guide, Dr. Aruna Diwan ma'am, Dr. S.L. Vaya ma'am, Dr. J.R. Gaur sir, Dr. Kapil Kumar sir, Mr. Ravi Kumar sir, and all of these people who have always guided me towards my professional goals. I cannot escape thanking my team of School of Forensic Science and Risk Management at Rashtriya Raksha University, especially Dr. Sumit Kumar Chaudhary sir, Dr. Parvesh Sharma, Dr. Kalpesh Solanki, Mr. Mahesh Tripathi, Mr. Sudhanshu Shekhar Tiwari, Ms. Prachi Kathane. I think work culture has a lot of role to play in the kind of achievements you have in your professional journey. I am humbled to thank my Vice Chancellor, Dr. Bimal Patel sir, for providing us a very good work culture atmosphere where the work-life balance is always encouraged. My journey has been always important for my father, and my success is of the utmost priority to him. He has taught me that how grit and persistence are so important to be and achieve what you want in life. I am the kind of individual because of him. He has crafted my journey till now. His blessings and his well wishes has always encouraged me. I cannot think of this whole journey without my friends and family's well wishes and blessings. Lastly, I would like to thank everybody whom I could not mention individually, maybe by name, but I'm sure that my gratitude is reaching you out. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
First of all, I would like to thanks to Legal Desire Media and Insight for recognizing my work in forensic related laws, and they give me recognition as an academic excellence award. So I am very thankful for the Legal Desire whole team. I dedicated this award to my parents and to my institute, Government Institute of Forensic Science. I am earnestly received such award from the Legal Desire. I am very grateful for their award. I am very thankful for their recognition which I received from Legal Desire Media and Insight. I am very, very grateful. I am very thankful. I am very obliged to such very reputed Legal Desire Media team.
Good evening all, myself Dr. Mukesh Sharma from State Forensic Science Laboratory Rajasthan, and I have been elected by the team Legal Desire for the award in forensic category, Forensic Investigator Excellence Award, and I am very thankful to the team that they have elected me for this prestigious award, and it is a great opportunity to speak about the Legal Desire team that since last 1 year they are providing a great platform to the lawyers, to the forensic persons, to the doctors and to the investigating agency persons to interact with in the same virtual platform and work for the justice. I congratulate them for their work and their efforts. I will be there till they need, and I am available 24 hours by 7 by 365 days for this team. Thank you very much.
First of all, I would like to thank to organizing team of Legal Desire Media, Mr. Anuj Kumar, Ankit Gupta, Shreya Gupta, Mr. Apurv, Bhargav and Ms. Kimi for conferring my profile for Academic Excellence Award in Forensic Science category. I am thankful to all my colleagues, my family and my mentors, because I'm not able to do anything because of their supports. So I dedicated this award to my mentor, Dr. Pankaj Srivastava sir, and my colleagues, Dr. Vijay Yadav, Dr. Kriti Nigam, my research scholars, especially Abhimanyu, Tanru, Akash, and my students. And I wish that Legal Desire will achieve their aim and do a great jobs in the favor of forensic science students, as we know forensic science is increasing in India day by day. So I wish your passion will continue to enrich these heights. So thank you all. Thank you once again. God bless.
Thank you, Legal Desire, for the felicitation. I would also like to congratulate all the awardees and a big congratulations and thank you to Legal Desire for arranging felicitations in the field of forensic science. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Santosh Raut from Pune, Maharashtra, Head of IFS Education Department. It is my honor and privilege to accept the award of academic leadership. I sincerely thank the Legal Desire for initiating the award, nominators for nominating me, members of the selection committee for selecting me, and the Legal Desire team for hosting this award function. It is certainly a very proud and humbling experience for me and for my team members. I especially want to thank my entire staff. I also extend my sincere appreciation and gratitude to my team members and partners. Without their help, this honor would not have been possible. This award would always have a place of honor in our organization. Thank you.
Dear colleagues, I am very grateful to Legal Desire, Media and Insight for considering me for Forensic Investigator Award. The fact that my work has been recognized instills the confidence in me to work with best of my abilities for the interest of the organization. I feel great to have association with Legal Desire, Media and Insights, where every new idea is heard and nurtured. I hope I will maintain the same level of diligence in my work in the forthcoming years. It was indeed a moral booster and gives me more responsibilities for further work. It makes me feel quite confident and loyal towards my job that you have considered me efficient for this award. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. D.S. Bhagat, currently working as Assistant Professor in Department of Forensic Chemistry, Government Institute of Forensic Science, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I feel happy to receive Academic Excellence Award in Forensic Chemistry from Legal Desire in this online summit. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude towards jury member, Legal Desire team, supporting staff, editor-in-chief. This award is a certificate of my entire research career, includes dedications and hard work. This award acts as the booster in my future research career to achieve new horizon in forensic chemistry and toxicology. Hoping to arrange such a kind of event in upcoming future from Legal Desire. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all. Greeting from ICS Assure Services Private Limited. It feels proud to accept this award in the category of a forensic investigator company to 2020 by a Legal Desire Award 2020, discussing the possibilities and opportunity in emerging fields in law behalf of entire family of ICS Assures. I am privileged to be a part of ICS Assure and its huge success till date. I am honestly grateful to Legal Desire Media as well as Department of Forensic Science for recognition of forensic work and discipline of investigative sciences in the findings of a fact. ICS Assure Services Private Limited has a team of experienced doctors, forensic experts, engineers, and as well as the forensic financial analysts to cater the challenges faced in an insurance investigation. ICS Assure Services Private Limited provide a 360-degree value-added solutions to all the insurance companies pertaining to the insurance claim investigation toward rational claim management. The family of ICS Assure was built up in 2013 with the startup of investigation for insurance claims, but the aim was to get larger day by day. Within a time span of 7 years, the company excelled the sector in accident reconstruction, fire investigation, health claim investigation, and other forensic services like DNA analysis, blood examinations, key examinations, audio video analysis, and as well as the question document examination. So we have fulfilled the breach of insurance sectors by various application of a forensic science. That what makes us the different. So talking about the specifications or what we did in last 7 years. So firstly, we have provided more than 200 testimonials in different courtrooms as a forensic experts. ICS Assure Services Private Limited is the only private firm who have a collaboration with more than 15 insurance company in a pan-India, with includes private as well as the public sectors. We have empaneled with III, that is Indian Insurance Institute, for a forensic awareness to the insurance industries. In the time span of 7 years, we have detected numerous frauds with all forensic tools and applications. We have created the awareness of a forensic science throughout the industries of insurance as well as the banking in order to conquer the frauds. We have developed the data management systems to detect the fraud trends in pan-India from various insurance cases that we did in the last 7 years. Lastly, I wanted to dedicate this awards to the entire family of ICS Assure, and without their smart work, coordinations and constant support from higher management, this wouldn't have been withstand. So once again, thank you so much Legal Desire for considering us for this award.
Good morning to you all. I wish to express my sincere thanks to Legal Desire for giving me an award for the academic excellence in humanitarian forensics. As a representative from National Forensic Sciences University and also as a center head of International Center for Humanitarian Forensics, I am very happy to receive this award. At this juncture, I wish to express my thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. J.M. Vyas sir, who has entrusted me with the charge of the center head of International Center for Humanitarian Forensics. Our university, the National Forensic Science University, has been involved in introducing number of academic programs which are related to social care and social security in addition to criminal investigations. Most of the courses are very much involved as a uniqueness. This is also one of the such subjects which is also unique in nature. This is the first of its kind center and also first of its kind subject that has been introduced by our university. This will definitely reach out to more number of students, and they will also take up as a professional career in the future. Definitely this award will be encouraging one, motivating one for many professionals and students to take up this subject for their professional careers. So I'll be very much happy to receive this award from Legal Desire. Thank you once again.
Good evening to one and all. I hope this conference would have been enriching experience to each one of you. I'm Vipin Vijay Nair. I'm a research scholar at Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences, OP Jindal Global University, and about to complete my PhD entitled as Exploring Coping Mechanism of Vulnerable and Victims of Commercial Sexual Exploitation, a participatory action research in rehabilitation and protection homes in India. And I am honored to receive this award of Best Research Scholar in Criminology and Victimology from the team of Legal Desire. I wholeheartedly thank the entire team of Legal Desire who thought I am worthy enough for this award. I wish to pursue research in the field of criminology and victimology in the years to come, and I also encourage all the young researchers, all the young scholars in the field of criminology and victimology to pursue emerging researches and be passionate about their research and explore one or the other dimension which might change certain perspective in the society and would bring change. So thank you very much, one and all the best for future endeavors to the team of Legal Desire.
first of all, I would like to thank Legal Desire team and jury members for selecting my profile for the Best Research Scholar category in Forensic Science. Secondly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my mentor, my guide, my guru, Dr. Astha Pandey, who has always supported me and kept me motivated all the time. Last but not the least, I would thank my family, my parents for everything, for in every way they supported me and for their trust. Thanks for this award.
Thank you, Legal Desire Media, for recognizing me as a promising lawyer in the media and broadcasting category. I'm really thrilled to receive this award and recognition. Thank you.
Friends and colleagues from the fraternity, a very good evening to all of you. This is Nipun Bhatia, President, Strategic Legal Management from Legal League Consulting, and I'm very happy to be a part of Legal Desire Summit 2020. And in fact, more excited and thrilled to be receiving the award for Most Promising Legal Management Consultant of the Year. I convey heartfelt gratitude to the team of Legal Desire Media for considering my work worthy of this recognition. As they say, every recognition brings a certain set of responsibilities, and the responsibility on me from here is to continue giving my best to the growth of Indian legal profession. Over the course of 10 years of my professional journey, I have tried my level best to bring managerial best practices to law firms and bring professionalization in their functioning. The rest of my life is going to be dedicated to this field, and there's lots more exciting initiatives coming up your way. So stay tuned. Very happy to be considered worthy of this recognition. A huge thanks to everyone, and God bless.
Good evening, everyone. So this is my first award. I'm truly humbled and honored to be receiving this award today. I'm grateful to Legal Desire for recognizing my efforts. This really wouldn't have been possible without my team and my clients, so I would like to dedicate this award to them. This award is an essential part of my life, and it will only encourage me to work harder. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. I take this opportunity to thank the entire team of Legal Desire for letting me be a part of this entire summit. It has been a great privilege being a part of the summit. Thank you to Legal Desire for honoring me and felicitating me with this award. I thank my parents and dedicate this award to them for allowing me to be what I am today. Thank you, everybody.
Hi everyone, this is Said Mujtaba. I am child rights lawyer. After the completion of my LLM in comparative law and international law, I was selected as a junior legal and research consultant at National Human Rights Commission of India. I worked there on multiple projects, and basically the main project was the Child Rights Convention. And after that, presently I am working on the mental health psychosocial support as a child rights lawyer in Jammu and Kashmir, which is basically a project of UNICEF in collaboration with IMHANS, Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. I am very much thankful to Anuj Kumar Apurva from the Legal Desire team. They have recommended me for the promising child rights lawyer. I am in this field by conviction, because we have like there are multiple careers in law, but I have chosen this stream for the protection of child in particular, because the place which I am in, there are multiple number of issues which our children are facing, and I will be inshallah continuing with the same spirit and the recognition which we receive from time to time from multiple organizations, being the national or international organization. They give us support, they give us the more encouragement, and once again I thank the Legal Desire team for recommending me my name for the prominent child rights lawyer. Thanks so much.
Hi, I am Vishal Kumar Singh, Advocate, Patna High Court. I have been honored by Legal Desire Media and Publications as the promising young human rights lawyer, and I accept this award, and I also thank Mr. Anuj and his team at Legal Desire Media and Publication, who are doing tremendous job for the legal fraternity all over India and across the world. Thank you.
Hello everyone. A very warm evening to everybody. I would like to thank the organizers, Legal Desire Media Insights, for acknowledging the efforts of mine in the field of academics in law and bestowing the honor of Academic Excellence Awards 2020-2021. I would like to thank everybody who has been part of my tough yet a very enriching journey, including my parents, my better half, and as well as the organizers for acknowledging the entire journey by bestowing this honor upon me. I feel privileged and honored and humbled, especially in these tough times where entire humanity has faced a crisis. It is our academician community which has worked tirelessly for upliftment of the society. Thank you and have a good time everybody, and congratulations to all other fellow winners. Thanks one and all.
Good evening everyone. I, Dr. Navtika Singh Nautiyal, is feeling honored to receive the Academic Excellence Award given by Legal Desire. While taking this award, I want to pay my gratitude to each one of my students to make me what am I today, and I want to pay my gratitude to Legal Desire too to select me for the same.